So, waves. Great topic. Talking about wave erosion. We live on Long Island, so this really does affect us because it's our surroundings. It's talking about where we are. So, first thing you need to know is that the waves are caused by wind. Wind comes by, the friction between the air and the water causes waves. That's why during a storm, stronger winds, stronger waves, or higher waves. Now, first thing you need to know is the parts of a wave. So the terms are here. I'm going to go to the next slide because there's the picture. Well, two slides. All right. Crest, top of the wave. Trough is the bottom of the wave. So you can see the wave, bottom of it, top of it. Wavelength is the distance between the two crests. From crest to the next crest is the wavelength. Now we'll go back. So there's your crest, your trough, the wave height. Sorry, hold on. The distance between the trough and the crest. So let me go to the picture here. From the distance from here up to here, or if you went like here up to there, that is the wave height. All right, and the wavelength, as I showed you, is from crest to crest, or it also works from trough to trough. Wave period, the time interval between the passage of two successive waves. So, if we were looking at the picture on the next page, it would be the time from, if you're standing here or you're looking at here, time it took for this one to get here. Length of time. Okay, so that's pretty much it on the wave terms. Like I said, wind is the cause of the waves. So the size of the wave is dependent on the wind speed, how fast the wind is going, how long the wind is going for. If you just had a gust, you're not going to get waves. But if it goes for hours and hours, you're going to get much, much bigger and more waves. And then the fetch, the distance that the wind is traveling. A short little gust is not going to give you as much waves as a wind going over a very large distance. So here is a view of the waves in the water, just to show you, give you an idea. Now notice these circles here. What's happening is the wave itself is going through the water. The water is not moving. It's not like this water here ends up over here. The water kind of like a circular pattern. So the waves, just like sound waves, are going through the air. You're not feeling my breath on your face. You just hear the sound because it goes through what we call the medium, which is the material. So in this case here, it's going through the medium and transferring to the next area. Wave translation. So what happens is begins to form in shallower water. So out in the ocean, you just see these waves going by. When we're on the beach, what's happening is the wave is coming into shallower water and it kind of hits the bottom. It feels the bottom. So in class, I always use the example of you got a kid walking down the hallway and the bully goes to trip him or her. What do? They put their foot out and they stop their feet from moving. So if the feet stop moving, the top part of your body will fall over. That's the same thing that's happening here. The wave is coming in, it starts touching the bottom, and the bottom of the wave is slowing down